Good morning. How are you spending your Saturday? We have a lot of great people in our community who are working hard to kind of redo this park, give it a little bit of some TLC. Let me bring Sandy in here, who, by the way, you got to really get on her to stop working because she's been pulling all of these weeds this morning. These are just a few of the volunteers who are going to be out here. Most of the other volunteers asked to be here at 8 o'clock. These are just the overachievers very early here this morning, working on getting this park set up. So first of all, why did the park need this TLC, Sandy?
Well, we actually worked with the community center to find out what their needs were, and this was on their list.
And so you guys are going to do some bark, you're going to do some planters. What are some of the other things that you're going to do in this area?
That's pretty well. We're painting. We're going to be painting the structure.
Okay.
Repainting.
Yeah.
So that it's ready for the kids.
And now it's not just the park, because you guys are getting something entirely new here. We saw them working in this garage over here. What is that garage going to become?
We are very excited. The center wants a youth facility that can have dance, aikido, martial arts, all those types of things. But our organization is really focused on the seniors that are low income in the community. So we also would like for them to use it as a senior center for exercise.
Yeah, it could be for anything with what they're going to be able to do with it, which is going to be great. Yes, that's going to be really fun. Why is this Mac Community Center so important to this area?
This is just an area that needs a little bit of love. There aren't a whole lot of places that the kids can go and play, and then obviously for seniors, just not a lot. There's just a lot here.
And how do you guys get the word out that this is out here and now let people know that there's going to be this new center where they might be able to come and do some martial arts or some dance classes or meet with their friends?
Well, hopefully website, social media, of course. I know that the MAC partnership just hired someone in marketing.
Okay.
So hopefully she will get the word out.
Perfect. Yes. And so if people are watching and they want to come take advantage of this, how are you expecting everything to be done today?
Perfect world, sure. No, actually, hopefully the playground and the garden that we're working on will be accomplished by the end of the day.
Yeah.
The actual studio that we're working on, the garage conversion, will be a process.
Okay. Yeah, so that'll be ongoing. But a lot of these volunteers working hard to make sure that this gets done relatively soon. That way they might have just a little bit of time for themselves on this Saturday. You know what they're going to need after this? A massage.
No
Look at them putting in that hard
That's a lot of work.
They're great. We love our volunteers. We could do nothing without them.
Paying it forward. All right. Thanks, Cambi. Still ahead this morning,